How to mask affiliate links, or how to cloak your ugly affiliate links. So today's video is a quick tutorial on how that you cloak those links so that firstly that they don't look ugly because people don't like buying from them. The other thing is a lot of websites that you go to, they don't let you use affiliate links. And so this is a free way of cloaking your links. So I'm over here at a website called Bitly, bitly.com, and you just go here and sign up for an account. It's free. There is a paid option, but you don't need that. So let's just click on here. You can go in and create your free version, and just shows you some of the features. Not only does it mask or cloak your links, it shortens them, and you're able to track your links. So you can see I've got some links here already in here. Just let's look up one, and it gives you some facility to track links. As you can see, it's had 178 clicks, and then you can look at when those clicks were, how many they were that day. All right, so let's go and get a link, and I'll show you how to do it. So I'm just over at ClickBank. It's an affiliate website. If you haven't got an account, it's got thousands of products, so you can go and promote them. It's free to register. So I'm just going to go to Marketplace, and I'm just going to get any hop link. I'm not going to go through looking for a particular product or anything. All right, so I'm not logged in, but I'll show you. So we're just going to click on promote. I'll put my account nickname, generate hop link, and then I get this long ugly link. And you can imagine most people wouldn't click on that. It looks spammy. So let's get rid of that. All right, so you don't even need to actually sign up for an account. You can create these, but then you don't have a record of your links. So the fact that it's a free account, I would always just create a free account. So then you click on create, paste the long URL in here, create, and that gives you this nice little link. Now you can actually sometimes edit that. So what I'll go up here, and so I know what it is, text to speech I think it was. Otherwise you end up with all these links here, you don't know what it is. Now sometimes you can customize this link here. So let's just try, say, text to speech. It just depends whether somebody else has used it. Let's try that. No, custom link is taken, so it will just go back to what it was. So, and then you see it, well, I've clicked on it, it'll take us across to the product now. Speech to, I think I said text to speech. But anyway, so we just go back to what that was. We go here, and as you can see, that is our nice link. We just edit that to get rid of that, and it's back to where it was. And we just copy that link there, and wherever you want to place the link, you can see, a lot of websites like Quora and Facebook, you can't put affiliate links, whereas you put that URL, use that URL shortener called Bitly, you can mask and shorten the URL, and people will click on that, and then you're able to actually see, I don't know how quick that updates, but you're able to see how many times somebody's clicked on that. It hasn't updated yet. All right, so I hope that's been of help to you. If you get value from the videos, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button. I post videos fairly regularly. I've been doing them daily. If you do that, you'll get notified when I post a new video. Hit the bell icon and leave a comment below. And we'll see you in the next video.